Join me as I try to create a mini masterpiece in just 10 minutes. Let's see if I can pull it off. Mini art painting is taking the art community by storm, and I'm super excited to dive into this fun and accessible hobby with you. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a total beginner, mini art painting is an amazing way to express your creativity and bring a touch of magic into your daily life. One of the biggest misconceptions about painting is that it requires a lot of time and skill. But the truth is, you don't need to be a master artist to create something beautiful. With mini art painting, you can create stunning pieces in just a few minutes, and that's what makes it so appealing to people from all walks of life. The idea that you need to dedicate hours to painting is just not true, and I'm excited to show you just how easy it can be. I mean, think about it, most of us lead busy lives, and finding a spare hour to paint can be a challenge. But what if you could create a beautiful piece of art in the time it takes to make a cup of coffee? That's the beauty of mini art painting. It's quick, it's fun, and it's accessible to anyone who wants to give it a try. And the best part is, you don't need to have any prior experience or training to get started. In fact, mini art painting is an amazing way to tap into your creative side, even if you don't consider yourself an artist. It's all about experimentation, playing with colors, and having fun with the process. And don't worry if your first pieces don't turn out exactly as you imagined. That's all part of the journey, and it's where the magic happens. One of the things I love about mini art painting is the freedom to experiment with different techniques and styles. You can try out abstract, impressionism, or even create your own unique style. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes it so exciting. From bold brushstrokes to delicate details, mini art painting is all about expressing yourself and having fun with the process. Let me show you some of my favorite techniques, from using bold colors to creating intricate patterns. This one, for example, is a great way to add some texture to your painting. And this one is perfect for creating delicate, lace-like patterns. As you can see, the possibilities are endless, and that's what makes mini art painting so addictive. Okay, it's time for me to put my skills to the test and create a stunning mini art piece live. Let's see if I can transform this blank canvas into a masterpiece in just a few minutes. I'm going to go for a bold, abstract design, using a mix of vibrant colors and sweeping brushstrokes. Here I go. Wow, look at that, we've gone from a blank canvas to a stunning piece of art in just a few minutes. I love how the colors pop against the white background, and the texture adds a whole new dimension to the painting. This is what makes mini art painting so special. It's all about the journey, not the destination. So, what did you think? Are you as hooked on mini art painting as I am? The joy of creating something beautiful in just a few minutes is incredibly empowering, and I hope I've inspired you to give it a try. Remember, it's all about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't worry too much about the outcome, just enjoy the process. If you've got any thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to explore more art techniques, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing some exciting new projects. With these tools and tips, you'll be well on your way to crafting snow-capped peaks that are truly breathtaking. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out our other videos on landscape creation and share your thoughts in the comments below. There's something truly special about finger painting, especially during the summer season. It's an activity that brings out the kid in all of us, and I just love how it combines creativity with a sense of playfulness. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, finger painting is an excellent way to unwind and express yourself, and I'm excited to share some of its joys with you today. One thing that often surprises people is that finger painting isn't just for kids. While it's true that children adore it, many adults underestimate the therapeutic benefits and creative possibilities it offers. In fact, traditional painting methods often focus on precision and control, leaving little room for experimentation and spontaneous expression. Finger painting, on the other hand, is all about embracing the unknown and letting your emotions guide your artistic journey. Another misconception is that finger painting is somehow less sophisticated than other art forms. But let me tell you, it requires just as much skill and technique as any other medium. From mastering the subtle nuances of pressure and texture to achieving vibrant, layered colors, finger painting is an art form that demands patience, practice, and dedication. And the best part? It's accessible to anyone, regardless of their artistic background or experience. I've always found that finger painting allows me to tap into a sense of freedom and spontaneity that's harder to achieve with traditional brushes. There's something magical about using my fingers to apply paint, watching as the colors blend and merge in unexpected ways. It's almost like dancing with paint, and the process is just as enjoyable as the end result. When it comes to capturing the essence of summer, I think finger painting is the perfect medium. We can explore bold, sunny yellows, lush greens that evoke memories of lush forests, and deep blues that echo the warmth of a summer sky. From the vibrant hues of blooming flowers to the soft pastels of a summer sunset, the possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to show you some of my favorite techniques. As I begin, I'll start with a base coat of bright yellow, applying it in thick, sweeping strokes to create a sense of energy and movement. From there, I'll build up layers of green, from the pale mint of new leaves to the deep olive of mature foliage. And of course, no summer landscape would be complete without a touch of blue, whether that's the brilliant cobalt of a summer sky or the soft cerulean of a glinting lake. As I work, I'll share some of my favorite tips and tricks for achieving vibrant, textured colors. From using salt to create subtle, mottled effects to experimenting with different tools and materials, there are so many ways to add depth and interest to your finger paintings. And don't worry if things get messy, that's all part of the fun. Okay, let's take a step back and admire the finished piece. I just love how the colors seem to pulse with life, capturing the vibrant energy of a summer day. From the delicate textures of the flowers to the bold, sweeping strokes of the sky, every element works together to evoke the sense of joy and freedom that we associate with this time of year. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of finger painting, and I hope it's inspired you to give it a try for yourself. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Don't worry too much about the end result. With finger painting, it's all about the journey, not the destination. Thanks for joining me on this creative adventure, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with finger painting in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more art tutorials, creative challenges, and inspiring stories from the world of art.